Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Happy October! In the Halloween spirit, today I'm going to be carving a pumpkin. I'm so excited. Have you ever carved a pumpkin before? It's so fun. Should we get into it?
Yes!
Yeah? We should? Awesome! Let's do it! Alright, for this Halloween activity, you need a pumpkin, obviously, some carving tools, and in this case, I have some super cool Halloween themed eyes. We have green eyes, red eyes, and blue eyes. Make sure if you try this Halloween activity, you ask a parent for help. Let's get into it. First, I'm gonna cut the top off of the pumpkin so I can get all the ooey gooey stuff out. Awesome! Now we have to take all of the ooey gooey pumpkin insides and dump them out. Alright, I got most of the ooey gooey stuff out. Let's get to carving. First, I'm gonna outline what I need to carve with a pen. Has a mouth. Time to carve his nose. Wow, he's really coming together. Should we give him some eyes?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Should we give him some eyes?
Yes!
Yeah? Awesome. What color should I do? Should I do blue? No, not scary enough. I know. What about red? Let's do it. Awesome. Let's put on his eyes. Wait for it. Ta-da! My very own jack-o'-lantern! Isn't he awesome? I know! I'm gonna name him Boo! Boo the jack-o'-lantern! Wow! Thank you so much for carving my pumpkin with me today. I had so much fun! Happy October and happy Halloween! Oh, and don't forget! Wave goodnight to the moon.